The Auto Man here, Brian Bowersock. Today we're talking about safe travel tips and things to do with your vehicle for the holiday season. A lot of us are going to be hitting the road, and I'm sure AAA is going to come out with record numbers this year. A lot of folks traveling with the economy up and everything, going to see grandma and all that, and we want you to be safe. So a couple tips just to keep you safe. Number one, don't warm a vehicle up in an enclosed garage. Well, you say that might sound funny here in San Diego, but you know what? A lot of us will be heading to areas where it's cooler, possible snow, etc., up into the mountains. So make sure that you pull the vehicle on the outside before you warm it up. Let's make sure and check our tire pressure when the tires are cold. Extremely important as we change temperature, get out on the road, the tires heat up, check the tire pressure. We also need to check the depth of our tire to make sure we have plenty of tread on the vehicle. If you're getting down to 4/32 with rain and snow, etc., it's a good time to replace your tires at that point. Keep your gas tank half full on the vehicle if you're traveling. It's a good way to keep yourself out of trouble in case something happens, you get stuck alongside the road. Make sure and carry some safety items with you, first aid kit, etc., to make yourself safe and your family safe while out on the road. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.